This is John. John has a great idea. He's going to build a cabinet, his own cabinet. A nice project. But unfortunately for John, it's not easy. How do you get all that wood home undamaged? And how do you saw it perfectly straight? And in exactly the right dimensions? Tricky. At TOSIZE, we understand this. With us, you can easily, in a few simple steps, order cut-to-size wood. You only pay for what you need. We saw in different shapes with millimetre accuracy, computer-controlled. Even mitered, nice and easy. Have your order delivered by us so that you, just like John, can get started on your project right away. TOSIZE. How convenient.